What is SemRush? If you've ever tried to learn SEO, you've probably seen this tool recommended everywhere. But when you actually open it, the dashboard can seem like a lot. So in this video, I'm going to break down what features on SemRush actually matter, the ones that will actually help you grow traffic. So you can decide for yourself if SemRush is right for you. So what is SemRush? So SemRush is basically an all-in-one SEO tool. It helps you find keywords, check what your competitors are ranking for, improve your content, and fixes issues on your website. You don't need to use every single tool inside it. Most people only use a handful, and those are the ones I'm going to focus on. Section 1, competitive research. One of the biggest reasons people use SemRush is for the competitive research. You can type in any competitor's domain and see what keywords they rank for, how much traffic they're getting, which pages bring the most visitors, and what websites link to them. This is one of the fastest ways to understand what's working in your niche. If you want to see why someone else is ranking higher than you, this section gives you the answers. Section 2, keyword research. Next, let's talk about keyword research, which is where a lot of people spend their time. SemRush lets you look up keywords and instantly see how many people search for it, how hard it is to rank, related keyword ideas, and which pages are already ranking. If you're trying to create SEO-driven content, this part of SemRush is extremely helpful. It makes it super easy to plan what topics to create content about and which keywords are actually worth targeting. And you can actually track your rankings change over time, so you can see what's improving and what needs more work. Section 3, link building. Backlinks are a big part of SEO, and SemRush gives you tools to understand your backlink profile. You can see who links to your site, which links help you, which ones might hurt you, and potential websites you could reach out to. This section is great if you're focused on authority building. Section 4, on-page and technical SEO. SemRush also helps you figure out what's broken and what's slowing your website down. The SemRush audit tool crawls your website and shows you issues like pages that load too slowly, broken links, missing meta descriptions, mobile problems, and overall site health. So if you want your website to be more Google friendly, this tool makes it easy to know what you need to fix. Is SemRush right for you? So is SemRush worth it? Here's the easiest way to decide. Use it if you want to rank higher on Google, want to see what competitors are doing, you create content like blogs or landing pages, or just need some help fixing SEO issues on your website. Skip it if you don't do SEO, don't publish content, or don't need any detailed data. For most businesses that care about organic traffic, SemRush is one of the strongest tools out there. So if this video helped you understand SemRush a little better, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tool you think I should focus on next.